concentrate on the people here today. My name is Amanda. I'm the cellar door manager here at Capital Wines and Kyeema Gallery. Firstly, I'd just like to pass on apologies from Bill Mason, the owner, who couldn't make it tonight. And I'd like to welcome you all, and in particular, Dr Marisa Paterson MLA, a member from Murrumbidgee.
Thank you very much for having me here tonight. So I would like to also acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land that we meet on today, the Ngunnawal people. I acknowledge and respect their continuing culture and contribution that they make to the life of this city and this region, and pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. I note that Kirandeep's work often mediates on the Australian landscape, and I give pause to consider the connection between the beauty of the bush and its custodians who have cared for it and nourished it across the millennia, and his work in caring for country continues today. I would like to welcome everyone here today to this exhibition and to thank you, Kirandeep, for your invitation to come here today to open the show and to see your work. I am delighted to be here and to learn something about you, the richness of your cultural heritage and the way that you see the world. In seeing the exhibition, I am struck by the rich colours and textures that are reoccurring in your work and your connection to your cultural heritage through the Australian landscape. Your work truly does take us on a journey to some places we may know already and some we may not. It is at once intriguingly exotic, yet also comfortingly familiar. A world where nature and women and children are celebrated. It is a wonderful reflection on your life you have lived and your experiences exploring and living in many cultures and your respect and reverence for them, all mediated through your artistic practice. I note that the work on the exhibition represents a retrospective of your work over 30 years, ranging from 1977 to 2022. I congratulate you on this long career and dedication to your art form. Your practice is both prolific and multifaceted, with work created in mixed media, textiles, and painting in this exhibition to great effect. It is deeply important for ACT audiences to have an opportunity to see and support work that gives insights into a diversity of lived experiences. The lens through which you have interpreted and reinterpreted both physical and cultural landscapes has produced something unique and something beautiful. The spiritual foundations of your work are also evident in what we see here today. I was fascinated to hear about your connections with ancient Indian art. I understand that some of your work is the result of a special project which resulted from your connection with the Gudalia, thank you, For those in the audience who may not be aware, these are the pictures at the back of that room there, the paintings. This is a nomadic community in Rajasthan in India, and they traditionally practice ironsmithing. By giving audiences a window into a different world, you honour their centuries-old culture and traditions through your work, particularly through your depiction of women and children. Your sensitive representations of women and children are as inspiring and reflective of the deep roots your practice has in community more broadly, and the important work that you do with women in the ACT through the Migrant Women's Art Group and through your online Slow Stitch community. Again, I thank you for the opportunity to come this evening and to reflect on your multifaceted and culturally evocative works. And I appreciate the opportunity to learn and to gain a new perspective about you and your cultural heritage. And I am delighted to declare this work officially open. Thank you.